Welcome guys in this channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to do lighting and Revit. Okay, so if you don't have template, electrical template, go to new and then from here click to browse and then you can find the electrical template. So I'm going to use US template, so let's select the electrical default template and then OK and OK. So as you can see, then here I have a lighting floor and also have for ceiling and also for have plan for the power. So it's easy to do lighting and electrical template. So I'm going to insert my file. From here go link Revit and then I'm going to find my electrical plan. I'm going to open this. So this is the plan that I did and architecture. So let's put in the center and then uncheck this to lock and place. So now you can select the plan. Okay, so for the first time you have to check the elevation. It should be the same elevation. As you can see, this is the same, because if it's not the same, the level was, if the level was different, so when you put the light, it will put the wrong place. Okay, so first I'm going to start for the power. So this is the norm for the lighting, if you want to follow. Okay, so I'm going to mention you that each receptacle should be mounted 45 centimeter above the finished floor. So for the width area, that's different. So for the living area, the living room and bedroom is 45, and for the width area like kitchen and bathroom 120 centimeter. So this is the norm that I am going to follow that. So go to the system and then from here electrical and then device and then electrical fixture. Okay, so from here I'm going to find the receptacle, outlet or socket. Yeah. So this is GFI for the width area and this is the standard for the living room or bedroom. Okay, so first I'm going to change the elevation, so 45 centimeter, and this is the voltage of this receptacle. Okay, so you have to select the voltage that in which area you live. For example, in United States use voltage 120, and for some Asian country use 220 voltage. Okay, so let's put the socket and I'm going to start from this bedroom. Okay, now this the receptacle that I put in the living room and the bedroom. So now I'm going to put receptacle for in the kitchen. So in kitchen you have to use GFI or waterproof. So let's put one in here. one in here and one in here. And also I'm going to put one or two outlet and the outside. Maybe you wash the car, cleaning the yard. Okay, you need the outlet and the outside also. So let's go to the second floor and put the socket as the same floor as the same that we did in the first floor. So I put the socket for this bedroom and outside. Okay, and now again I am on the first floor, so I'm going to create a boundary. So it's helped me to know which area is in which circuit. Okay, so let's uncheck this and click the edit type. From here check this box, room bounding, and then apply and OK. This helped me that I easily understand that which circuit is in which room or area. Okay, so now it's automatically find the boundary. So let's make one boundary in here, and now I need to create one boundary for the kitchen and for the stair as well, because I'm going to create a different circuit in here. So again go to analyze and then click to space, and then now I'm going to sublet from here, and the same method for the stair. So now this is one boundary, and then click this is the second, and third and fourth. Okay, so now I'm going to rename every this space. So let's room number 1, or it's better to let's rename with the bedroom 1 and this kitchen, and also living room and stair. Okay, when it's finished, so you can easily create the circuit. Okay, and now I'm going to select the panel board, go to the insert, and then load family, and then so US metric, and then electrical, MEP, and then electrical power, and then distribution, and from here find the panel board. Okay, so now I'm going to find one panel board that with the distribution voltage of 120 volt. Okay, so I'm going to select this one, click to open, and then architecture, and then component, and then put the panel board in here, or maybe better I put in here. Let's delete this one. Okay, so now I'm going to create the circuit for this living room. So first just click one of them, then click to power, and then from here select the panel board. Okay, this is the panel board, and then the circuit, and then add the receptacle to this circuit. You can call receptacle, outlet, or socket. Okay, this let's add this, all of this outlet for the living room and one circuit, and then when finished, and if you clicked by mistake like this, you can click to remove from here and then remove from the circuit. Okay, when finished, and then as you can see, this all is one circuit, and then finish. Okay, so let's continue for the bedroom. Select one of this outlet, and then power, and then the circuit, and then add the outlet. So I'm going to add this 3 to one circuit, and then from here select the panel board, and then finish editing circuit. Okay, so for the outside receptacle, you have to put each of them for one circuit, because maybe you use something that with the high power, and then each of them should be in one circuit. And also for the kitchen as well, because you need to use something with the high power, like water heater or something like that. So our microwave, it should be in one circuit. Okay, this is how to create a circuit for the. So if you want to see the schedule, go to analyze, and then panel schedule, and then okay, this is the panel schedule, and this is the like receptacle space living room. This the for the kitchen outside. Okay, it connect to phase A, B, C, and also this the breaker that inside the panel board, 20 ampere. Okay, so let's do the second floor. First, create a space, boundary space as the same as the first floor. Rename this. Okay, and then I forget to put the receptacle and the corridor, because maybe we need it later. Maybe we need for cleaning or something else if we need to use. So let's put to receptacle and the corridor as well. You can insert like this. I'm going to put one that's a normal, not waterproof or GFCI. Okay, so now let's create the circuit. Select one of them, and then to power, and then add the circuit, and then add the outlet, and then select the panel board and finish. Continue as the same method. Okay, this is how to do the power, and this is how to select the receptacle and create circuit and connect to the panel board. Okay, this is the schedule for the power. Lighting part. Okay, and now I'm going to do lighting. So I'm the ceiling plan. So first I'm going to hide this receptacle because it's disturbed me. So you can hide this receptacle in two ways. So you can change from view range, or also you can change visibility graphic, type VG and then enter. So from here, when you open this, uncheck the electrical fixture. Okay, then apply and okay. So you can see now, you can see the receptacle and the ceiling plan. Just you can see the panel board in here. Also you can change this, change from the view range, go to edit, and then you can see this the cut plan. For cut plan for the level 1 is 120 because my receptacle in here was 120. That's why we can see in this ceiling plan. Okay, now I'm going to change this to 150 and apply and okay. Okay, now it's easy. So guys, according to the standard, different place, different room have a different norm. For example, for the living room from 50 to 100 lakhs, and for the sleeping room 50 lakhs, or for the kitchen from 300 to 500 lakhs. So I do just how lighting and show you how to do lighting in Revit. Go to the system and then electrical and then lighting fixture. Okay, you can find the light like this, select the light from here, and also you can find from lot family, and then I show you from the first. Go to the lighting, first use metric lighting, and then MAP, and then internal, and then these are the light. So now I'm going to use this kind of light. Click open, and then when you load it and then come to here, and then you can see all the light in here. So this is the light of the size of the light and the light voltage. Okay, so now as you can see, I can put the light in here because I didn't select the placement workplace. So as you can see, it's a default selected place on vertical face. So change from here place on face, and then as you can see, I can put my light on the ceiling. Okay, and now I'm going to put the light in the living room. And I'm going to select this like this, spotlight like this for the living room. For the bedroom, again click to place on face, 1 and 2 spotlight and bedroom. For the kitchen, of course we need more lakhs, let's put 4, and this for the toilet. So let's add one more light in here. Okay, this is how to insert the light, and this is for the first floor. So let's open the second floor and again change the view range and put the light as the same we did in the first floor. Okay, so now I put all the light, and again let's open the first floor, the ceiling plan 1. So now I'm going to select the switch for them. Again, go to the insert and then load family, and then let's use metric, and then electrical MEP, and then from here look for the switch for them. So waterproof switch and normal switch. Okay, let's select first the waterproof switch for the toilet and wet area. So again, go to component, and then from here find that switch and put the in here. So now as you can see, I can put this in here because I changed the view range. Again, I'm going to change the view range. Let's make 1 meter, and from here let's uncheck the, and then find the switch and put in here. This is the waterproof switch. Okay, so let's go to the second floor as well and put the waterproof switch and the shower area. Again, change the view range and uncheck the electrical fixture. Okay, it's the waterproof switch. And now let's find a switch for the bedroom, living room and kitchen. Again, let's uncheck the furniture because it's disturbing me. This is the table. Again, go to system, electrical, and then device, and from here lighting. Okay, so as you can see, there is different kind of switch: damper, door, 4-way, key operate, low voltage, single pole, or 3-way. Okay, so I need a single pole for the, in my case. Okay, put one switch in here for the kitchen, in here, and one for the bedroom, and this for living room, and for level 2 in here. Okay, this is how to put the switch. And now I'm going to connect the light to the switch. Okay, again, the first floor, select one of the light like this, and then click to switch, and then edit switch system. Okay, and then from here add to system. I'm going to add this light, this one, and this one, and this one, to, and then click to switch, select switch, and then select your switch in like this. Okay, this 5 light connect to this switch and then finish. Okay, because there is one light, just click the light and then switch and select switch and select the switch. Okay, for this again the same method. Okay, for the second floor as well. First select one of them, select one of the light and then go to edit and add the light and connect to the switch. Okay, this is how to connect switch to the light. I forget put the switch for the corridor and also for the stair. I'm going to use 3-way because I want to control this the light and stair from the downstairs and upstairs. Okay, so this is the 3-way switch. Okay, now it's connected, all the light connected to switch, and now I'm going to create a circuit. Okay, if you want to see which light connected to which switch, you can select the switch and then from here you can see. For example, select this switch and then go to switch system. You can see these two lights is connected to this switch. So now I'm going to create the circuit. Click one like and then go to power and then again edit circuit, and from here add the light. How many light you want to connect to one circuit? So I'm going to connect all the first floor light to one circuit. That's all should be in one circuit, and then from here select the panel board and then finish. Okay, so let's the second floor. The same method, select one of the light and then edit circuit and then select all the light and then finish. Okay, if you want to check which the circuit, if you see the which light connected to which switch, click to switch system. Now you can see this 5 light connected to this switch. If you want to know the circuit, click to the electrical circuit and you can see all of this light connected to the one circuit. Okay, so now if you want to do wiring, you can do also the wiring. So again go to electrical and then wiring, and there is 3 kind of wiring. So I'm going to do like wiring like arc. Okay, you can do wiring like this. There's 2 light connect to this switch and there's 4 light connected to this switch. Okay, so continue as the same method for the second floor. Okay, this is how to do wiring. So if you want to see the panel board, now you can see the panel board, all the and if you're electrical, you know so this all the information about the panel board, the connected load, demand factor, estimated demand. Okay, so I show all receptacle and also this for all load for the lighting, and this for panel total, how many load connected to this panel board. So this all the load that's connected to this panel board. So this is how to do lighting and Revit. Okay, this is the end of this tutorial. If you have any question or suggestion, leave a comment on below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.